Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's video is all about exciting things, all that I have done in Ramadan, all the shoppings, cooking stuff, decoration, Iftar videos, all the different kinds of recipes I have shared in this vlog. I hope it is good for you to watch because it's all in one. It's the only video which I have made in Ramadan, all collaboration I have done into one. So stay tuned and keep watching and do comment about how you liked it and was it joyful or boring. This is all I have taken in videos. I hope you like watching. And still then, stay connected and do subscribe my channel for more such videos coming up. And Ramadan Mubarak to everyone, to you and your family. May all your duas comes true. Amen. Just 1 or 2 days are left for Ramadan to get over and Eid is coming soon. So do share how was your Ramadan, how were your fasts going on, everything new experience you faced in different countries. If you have moved to other country, how was it over there? Everything you can share it. So thank you for watching. Till then, assalamu alaikum. I will be coming up with another video very soon. Thank you.